Hi guys, happy hump day, happy Wednesday. Today I am playing with, again I'm doing my swiping with my Australian Floetrol and titanium white, but I'm using a color palette that I really don't mess with a lot. I'm using some browns. Browns scare me, so but I've got a funny feeling that I think with this color combination it's really going to come out great. I've seen this color combination used in other people's paintings and stuff, so I think I got an idea of what I want to do with this. So let's get down on that canvas and let's get started. I'll be right back. All right everyone, so today I've got an 18 by 24 gallery wrap canvas, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a flip cup, drag it out, and swipe through with some of my Australian Floetrol. And so what I'll need for this size canvas is about 15 ounces of paint, but I'm only gonna do a cup for about 10 ounces because I wanna have negative space. Real quick, the colors I've got are the Artist Loft Soft Body White, Amsterdam Prussian Blue. This is 24K gold mixed with iridescent gold from Pebeo Studio Acrylics. This is the Amsterdam Pearl White. Amsterdam in the Paynes Gray, which is more gray than is blue. Whereas the Goldens is much more blue. This is Burnt Umber Amsterdam. Burnt Sienna Amsterdam, and a little bit of black. Now this color palette is way outside of my comfort zone, but that's why I'm doing it. I want to play with different color palettes. All right, so I think what I'm going to start off with is a little bit of the Prussian blue. And I'm gonna do lots of layers, and I'm hoping I don't end up with a muddy mess. All my paints are mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium, no water whatsoever. Some of this Pearl White. Go in with the Paynes Gray. I'm going to separate the Paynes Gray from the browns. Not much black. Yeah. Turn it over, and then slide it off. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna pop a hole in the bottom of the cup to release the pressure. Just heat up the bottom there a little bit. There we go. I'm just gonna pop this out. Let the paint colors come on out. Ooh. Gonna pop the air bubbles. Let's give a little. I'm gonna bring everything this way because I don't like what's happening up here, so I'm definitely gonna get that off of there. Let's see what happens if I kind of like bring it up here like that.
To the moon and back, we had a love like that. Why do I feel like that's slowly fading? We used to be friends, that was way back when. You and I, we were a slow burn, baby. Oh, we were young, so damn naive. Looked at the world through rose-colored glasses. You had your goals, then you met me.
Wanted to make that a little more symmetrical. All right, I'm gonna leave it right here. Gonna do a scrape of the edges, and then I am going to torch, and I'll bring you guys in. All right, guys, so here we are with the wet result. I love the composition, very linear. There's no lines that are kind of protruding outside of the pour itself. It's just kind of straight. So that's what I really wanted to go for, corner to corner, leaving negative space on each side. Love the color combination. I'm loving the lacing from the white, titanium white Australian Floetrol. So let me bring you in here. All right, we'll see this when it's dry. I'll be right back. All right, guys, there's the dried result. Got you out here in the nice sun. All the snow is finally starting to melt. I'm very happy about that. Doggy's over there. Let me bring you in here, show you up close. Hope I'm not getting a shadow on there. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. That dried amazing. I love the color combination. I would have liked to seen a little bit more blue in here, but I will adjust and try this one again at a later time. But I do love the lacing that I'm getting with this. Check out the cells. That's really from stretching it out. They really began to pop through there. So I'm really, really happy with how that came out. So I'm gonna do some more paintings with this color palette. It's probably gonna come up in Sunday's video. I think I wanna do a couple of maybe like 14 by 14 canvases. I think something like that, using the spinner, maybe spinning them out, that'd be a good idea too. So anyways, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the week. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.